Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2020. This is going to be my first video for the new year and I'm super excited for the new year. And as you could tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing, and I have my box right here. I'm really enjoying Boxycharm. This is not sponsored. I purchased this 25 bucks every month, and it comes with full-size products, about 5 products, and they all retail for over maybe about $125 or so. So we're gonna dig right into the box. I've already looked in the box prior because I got this like last week, but I haven't had a chance to really open the box. But I'm very disappointed in Boxycharm because I heard or thought like every Boxycharm box you get, it should be an eyeshadow palette. And then I think they have this thing where you could pick one item that you're going to receive. And I don't think I got that. I'm not sure. We're going to double check. But yeah. So happy 2020. Comment down below. Let me know your New Year's resolution. I always have so many, but my #1 resolution is to film more and upload more on YouTube and grow my channel, start my business. So make sure you follow me on Bossed Up Cosmetics. It's in the making. It's launching soon. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on my makeup channel. I'll leave everything down below for you to follow. So make sure you subscribe, because you know I always say that in the beginning of the video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So let's get into this month's Boxycharm box. So we open the box, and y'all know what Boxycharm looks like inside, but if you don't, this is what it looks like inside. And it comes with this pamphlet, and the theme for this month is breaking the ice, and on the back it gives you a list of everything that's in the box. So this is my box. This is, oh, everything is falling out. So this is my box. There's no eyeshadow palette. I've seen a review on somebody's and they had the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette that I would love to have, but I didn't get it. But you know, it is what it is. So let me take everything out the box and we'll go down the list. The first thing in this box is by Pretty Vulgar, and it's their undercover concealer. So that is this one right here, and I guess they try to match it up to what you list on the website. So this color is 65 Shady Lady, I think that's what it is. So it's a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. It has vitamin E and galacotrobin, don't even know, to keep the skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. So this is what the concealer looks like. It looks like it probably be exactly my shade. And sorry if I'm kind of oily. I actually just went out and kind of oily. Oh, but the doe foot applicator is big, and I think they mentioned that the angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety smooth formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable longwear concealer is great for all skin types. So let me just swatch it. Oh, it's a little dark actually. So I could probably, I don't know, maybe cover dark marks with it. But I mean, it's still pretty good. I love to have like face products in the box. So that's the first thing, and that retails for $25. The next thing is the Dr. Brandt skincare. I think this is the thing I actually chose, is the retinol eye cream, and that is this product right here. Hope you can see in my lights, it's not too bright. Let me actually turn it down. There we go. So this is the Dr. Brandt eye cream, and this retails for $55, and it's a gentle, lightweight, reflecting, and age-fighting cream with retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. So I've been trying to find like a good eye cream to use since, you know, I'm getting up there in age. So it illuminates the eye contour, helps smooth away lines, and help reduce moisture lost. So I'm super excited to put this in my skincare routine. So my camera died. I don't know where it left off, but I got this Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. So I think this is just like a exfoliator, and I can't wait to use this and incorporate it into my skincare. Super light. I actually love this. The next thing is the Yvonne Skincare, which is this little guy right here. Hopefully you could see. This is an 8-hour radiance renewal sleeping mask. I love a sleeping mask. To reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight, it helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So I'm happy to use this. This is like a good skincare box. And the last thing I got is the Queen Studio Matte Liquid Lip Satin. So it says if you're a full coverage enthusiast, this matte liquid satin is your superhero. Extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in one coat and performs for 24 hours. So this is the packaging, and this is the lip color. And you know, all companies come out with like lip products in the same type of packaging, and it's in a nude color. And let me swatch it right here. And this is what the color looks like. It's like a My Lips but better color. So that's good. So that's what I got in my skincare. I actually like all the stuff that I got in my box, but I would have been hoping for the eyeshadow palette as well. And I feel like they should have mixed it up a little bit more, because technically there's like 2 makeup products, but they're like similar in a sense that they're in a tube, and it's not like special like if you get an eyeshadow palette, like a blush or something. But I do like the products in my box this month, but I would have been hoping for an eyeshadow palette. So yeah, that's the end of my unboxing. If you want to see me use any of these skincare products, let me know, and of course I'm going to update you when I use it, if I like it, if it works with my skin, if it doesn't work with my skin. And a skincare video should be coming up soon. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see from me. And if you're wondering, this hair is from Per Star Hair. I actually got this hair on Amazon. I just needed like a New Year's Eve type of curly wig, and I got this one, and this one is 26 inches, and it goes like far down, and it's a nice hair. I feel like it's kind of too puffy sometimes for me, so yeah, but it's pretty. The only thing I don't like about it is the parting space. Like, this is all the parting space. Like, I can't go any further back. This is like where the track starts, and since this is where the track starts, it gets a little lumpy and bumpy. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.